Hare Krishna compound church. The Krishna Goswami Drive. I gotta show you this place. This place looks like a beehive. It's a beehive of activity. I'm gonna get the hell out of here before one of them wants to talk to me. I just wanted to show you that it's a pretty strange architecture, huh? I just left work and I'm not far from this little Hare Krishna church, so just thought I'd show you real quick. I'd like to go. I want to go inside to see it. It's a strange building. Look at that. What is that on the side? A little metal thing. You are my Krishna. I will say George Harrison of the Beatles did a kind of a pretty version of the Krishna mantra. It was rather interesting. The Hare Krishna Temple. Krishna consciousness. Oh God, don't tell me they want to get in where I'm, okay.